Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Taurus, at sign. This is the January weekly reading and this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see your messages and what's going on, Taurus. Okay. Three cards. I want clarification cards for these Three of Swords and Five of Wands. And Seven of Pentacles. So, under the deck, Eight of Pentacles. I think you may be working towards your goals. Eight of Pentacles, you are very committed to your work right now. Taurus, in relationship, you want to work on this relationship or someone is coming back to work on this relationship seriously. For some, definitely you are right now working towards your goals. So let's see your recent past. King of Pentacles, the Aquarius, the Star, and Three of Wands. I think you both are in long distance relationship, live in different cities, different countries or different states. King of Pentacles with Star. I think everything is okay in past. But one person maybe turned their back from the other person. I think it could be you. Yeah. But you're feeling strong soulmate connection with your person. Six of Cups is here. And the world, again, someone want reconciliation with you. Maybe for some who are in separation, that could be third party situation involved. Maybe children's also involved in this connection. And yeah, that's why you turn your back from your person, because right now Six of Cups with the World card and the Sun, reconciliation, there is a lot of chances for someone is coming back for reconciliation. If you are not in separation, definitely your person want to take this relationship to next level. But in near future, Three of Swords, Five of Wands and Seven of Pentacles. Yeah, and clarification cards for Three of Swords is Justice and Five of Wands, the Empress and the Strength. You are going through so much, Taurus, in relationship. Three of Swords, definitely you are in so much pain. You cut someone off in your life. Yeah, because and yeah, you stand by your power and you taking your power back. And the Strength card is here. Definitely you be like this now, because you invested in this connection a lot in past, but now you don't want anyone because you stand by your power and you are loving yourself. You are investing energy on yourself, what I'm getting here. Because Three of Swords and Five of Wands, there is a lot of drama is going between you and your person. You are not liking that anymore. You are not allowing that anymore. That's why you stand by your power. I think you cut them off, but someone is want reconciliation with you. Six of Cups. Yeah, and they are coming back with to work on this relationship, Taurus, but it's up to you. So the person involved in this connection could be air energy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, fire energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see your person current feelings and their near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going on. First we will see your person current feelings. Lot of cards, that's why I'm not taking anyone. Yeah, Six of Pentacles, Seven of Wands, High Priestess. I think lot of readings getting High Priestess card. Yeah, they won't give up on you. Definitely they really want to offer equal give and take to this relationship. Six of Pentacles, I think in past there is no equal give and take, but now your person want to offer equal give and take. And Seven of Wands, yeah, they really won't give up on this connection until you give second chance to them. Yeah, they're ready to fight for your attention and they're ready to fight for second chance with you. And the High Priestess, this time they're listening to their higher self. Taurus, yeah. So the person involved in this connection could be under the deck 10 of cups. Definitely they really want this happiness with you, Taurus. Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's see the near future actions towards you. I want one more clarification card for. Yeah, they really, again 10 of cups. Under the deck, 10 of pentacles. They really want to offer stability, and yeah, they want to fix the things between both of you. If there are any misunderstandings between both of you, I think you both are heartbroken. You both are missing each other, because 3 of swords, you both got same card. Definitely you both are missing so much, and your person also feeling very very sad for the separation which had between both of you. Yeah, they really want to fix the things between both of you, and they really want to share their life with you, and they want this happiness with you. 10 of cups, Taurus. The person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. Two of Pentacles in reverse. The Tower came reverse. So 2 of Pentacles. I think in past maybe your person juggling between things, but now they got clarity. They really want to work on this relationship. And the Tower moment in reverse. Definitely they may be healing they may be undergoing some healing process. They may be once, yeah, I think after healing they will back to you, because 3 of Swords energy, the Tower came in reverse. I want one more clarification card for Tower, then I will explain clearly. Yeah, 8 of Swords. Maybe they are feeling stuck in past, but now maybe they're overcoming that stuckness, that energy. They're coming out of that energy. Maybe they are going to be choose you. Definitely near future they will make a move towards you, because 2 of Pentacles reverse. Definitely they're ending some confusion, because in past maybe they are in some confusion state. Yeah, Ace of Cups and Hanged Woman. I think you are also thinking about them a lot. You are also feeling stuck. See, under the deck 4 of Swords, it's you, Taurus. Yeah, you are also undergoing healing process. You are also thinking about them a lot. Yeah, maybe you are undergoing some healing and a transformation, but they're really missing you so much. They really want you back in their life. 10 of Cups, happiness. They want to offer this happiness to you, because they want to offer equal give and take also. So let's see your overall energy for the week. The person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Let's see your overall energy for the week. Taurus, 4 of Pentacles, 5 of Cups, 4 of Wands, and 9 of Swords. You are missing them a lot. Yeah, definitely you want celebration. You want reconciliation with your person. 5 of Cups energy. You are also feeling sad for the separation. 4 of Pentacles. I think in past you may be holding back. Now also you are holding back due to some trust issues, what I'm getting here. Maybe you don't want to invest again in this relationship, because in past you may be hurt a lot of times. That's why you are holding back this time, even though you are feeling sad for the separation. So this is general. Take what resonate and leave the rest, guys. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. See, 4 of Wands, Ace of Cups, 2 times. Definitely they love you. 8 of Cups and the Fool. Definitely they want brand new beginnings. I think your person maybe walked away from you, or you maybe separation. And Ace of Cups, love is there between both of you. Yeah, you both could be soulmates. 4 of Wands are twin flames. There is strong potential, but this connection has strong potential. I think you both want same thing but not expressing. You both want reconciliation. There is love between both of you, because the Ace of Cups is here. So let's see some more messages from Moon Oracle deck. don't let pride get in your way. So if you are having any ego problem or any pride issues, don't let pride get into your way, because sometimes ego creates so many problems. So pride, whatever, I think be grounded, what I'm getting here. So these are the messages for you, Taurus. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.